Mr. Rogers. How are you?
Hi, Mr. Kamin. I'm glad you found your way.
Oh, we finally got here. You know what he did? Took a left down at Negri's instead of the right. There were friendly people to tell you where to come, weren't there?
There were very nice people there.
What do you think of that?
How many balloons did you use to make that animal?
Well, some people use a lot of balloons. I only use one.
You use one balloon for this?
Only one.
It's all one piece?
Oh, show us how, would you?
Certainly.
Boy, it's really an artist with balloons, Mr. Rogers.
I should say.
See that little skinny balloon?
You leave a little at the end there.
Final touch.
A friend for the poodle. That is just great. You know, I was wondering, why doesn't it break? Do they ever break?
Many times they break, but whenever they break, you just have to try it again until it comes out right.
You hear that? Mr. Kamin, who's worked with balloons for a long time, break when he uses them sometime. What else do you make with them?
Well, you know, this balloon barks.
This
You can make a bark.
Yeah, that little poodle barks.
How?
Listen.
With the finger.
Oop. Sounds like he's yipping at you.
Mm-hmm. And of course, it could float on the water, couldn't it?
You could float it in your bathtub.
Beautiful things from balloons.
That's real artistry.
Can you show us one more, and then we have to get back to our work?
Certainly. How about a giraffe?
Oh, that would be a good one.
Imagine.
They start out looking sort of the same.
He certainly has a long neck, doesn't he?
No mistaking what that is, Mr. Rogers.
No.
You know, we're making these for a party for a little friend of mine. He's showing me. We're going to make some together and put them up all around the house.
Great. Well, you're having quite an apprenticeship in balloon sculpture, aren't you?
Yes,
Have
sir.
you always been interested in doing things like that?
Yes, I have, since I was a little boy.
Well, that's the time to begin a lot of things, isn't it? Thanks so much for telling me
Okay, Mr.
about it.
Rogers.
See you soon. Bye-bye.